Imagine undergoing a cosmetic procedure and not being happy with the results. That's what happened to our next guest. Doris turned to renowned Dallas plastic surgeon Dr. George Toledo for help, and I want to say thanks to both of you for joining us this morning. Doris, we'll get to your story in a moment, but share with us, Dr. Toledo, what was Doris's case when she came to your office?
You know, Amy, we're seeing a lot of this, and it's really just bad liposuction and a lot of complications from liposuction. Apparently liposuction is fairly easy to do, so a lot of doctors are doing it, but they're not doing it right or selecting the right patients. So we're getting a lot of patients that are the skin's irregular, lumpy, bumpy. It's been oversucked in one area, under, and it just looks bad. And you can see in her before pictures how the appearance of her skin.
Okay, so obviously it wasn't exactly, you weren't pleased with the results when we look at those before and afters. And as we look at them, Doris, I want to talk to you about your results now and how you're feeling about it when we look at that.
Oh, it just made all the difference in the world. I thought I was ruined, and the procedure was wonderful. It wasn't painful. It was, I was back to work in a week, and it just made all the difference in the world.
Okay, I'm sure you were probably a little apprehensive to get another procedure done after being unhappy with your original one.
I was scared, but I had so many good references for Dr. Toledo, and I felt pretty comfortable going in.
Okay, so you found him through references.
Absolutely.
Okay, and so you felt pretty comfortable going in knowing that he could help you and fix you. So how did you fix her? Those results are drastic.
Well, you know, what happens is when patients have too much skin and fat in their abdomen, usually you got to tighten the skin, you got to tighten the muscles, and if you just suck the fat, it doesn't take care of the other two problems. And if you suck the fat unevenly, it compounds and makes it even worse. So you basically had to take all the skin up and level the fat, level the skin, tighten the muscles, and it's just an extensive tummy tuck. But still, you're back to work in a week, and it's not that painful, and the results are great.
Yeah, obviously those results are really great, so Doris is happy. So how would you tell a patient, Dr. Toledo, how would you advise them that they're having the accurate procedure in the first place?
You know, the thing to do, Amy, is you pick the right doctor and he'll pick the right procedure.
Okay.
In this case, she went to a family doctor who couldn't do a tummy tuck, and so he picked a procedure that only he could do, just a little liposuction under local. So if she'd have gone to a board-certified plastic surgeon, he would have said, no, you need a tummy tuck. Your liposuction's not going to work. You're not going to be happy. So you pick the right doctor, and that's all you got to worry about, because he'll pick the right procedure, whether it's smart lipo or dumb lipo or whatever kind of lipo it is. If it's indicated, he'll do it the right way. And it's just getting a board-certified plastic surgeon.
Well, your results are beautiful, Doris, and thank you for sharing them on GMT Today. And Dr. Toledo, always good to see you. And here's the information you need to know. You can call Dr. Toledo at 214-363-4444 or check out his website. It's ToledoPlasticSurgery.com.